Welcome to the Sounds of Science installation movie on how to install the SuperChunk Corner in the corner between the wall and the wall. So we have put the mounts in the corner, one mount per SuperChunk Corner, and now you put the other part on the back side of the SuperChunk Corner. There's an excellent manual for that. And now you just hang them in place. And in this case, we wanted to hang them in such a way that we got 3 centimeters of space between the bottom one and the floor in order to be able to clean underneath. It's also a good system to use if you have a wall socket that is running. Then you might want the SuperChunk Corner to rest peacefully above this wall socket. And then this is a good system to use. Sliding down, that's number 1. And now sliding down number 2. So, as you can see, it's now 3 centimeters from the floor, so you can actually dust or vacuum underneath. Also, a cool thing with the SuperChunk Corner is, of course, that there's lots of space behind it, so you can have wires going behind here. You can even have a lamp down here, so you have uplight or whatever you want. So that is how easy it is to install it in the corner between a wall and a wall. Naturally, one thing that I should mention, we're showing different ways to install the SuperChunk Corner, but the one way that people miss is that this is actually a corner as well. So if you don't want to install anything at all, you can actually just put them along a corner if you want to. However, I prefer to install them on the walls or in the ceiling, because usually here it gets, at least in my home, dusty. But that's an option as well, just so you know. All right, thank you.